Okay, so what is the equation of the function or the line, the graph? So it's the same as when you're graphing it. You want to start by finding the y-intercept. So where is it crossing this y-axis? It's crossing right here. So the y-intercept is -3. Then I need to find the slope by using rise over run. So find 2 points on the line. So the next point is here. Rise over run. So to get from point 1 to point 2, I need to go up 1, 2, 3. So that's my numerator. And then I need to go to the right 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is 3/4. So now we're going to plug that m and that b into the formula. So the equation of the line is y equals, our m is 3/4. Don't forget your x. Our b is negative, so I don't put plus, I put -3. And that's it. I found m, I found b, I plugged it in. So those are the two things we're going to be doing in this lesson, either graphing a line or writing the equation from a graph.